Guys, welcome back to Coffee Artist video. So today we are going to learn how to write notice in a proper way with the help of question. Previous class we have learned that the format of the notice. So today we are writing a notice in a proper way with the help of questions. Guys, see the question, read it properly. You are Asma or Ashish, the head girl or head boy of convent school. Your school is going to publish the annual magazine next month. So write a notice for the notice board of your school. Think the previous class I have given you the format how to write notice. The first and foremost things what you have to do, make a border. So first you should make a proper border. Okay, clear? Okay, now border is ready. So next what you have to do, so heading must be there. So what is a heading? So heading is given in the question itself, that head girl or head boy of which school? The convent school. So what is the institution name? Here it is a convent school. So write here convent school. See, the heading is ready. So next what you have to do, write notice in a capital letter. Notice. Clear? So next thing you have to do, the title or the subject of the event. What is given there? It is a annual magazine. So what you can give as a heading is a call for submission. Okay, call for submission. So that much is clear. So next you have to give a date. So is there any date is given in the question? No. Since the date is not given in the question, so you have to write a date. So what date you can give? You can give it March 1st 2019. So clear? So next what you have to do, you have to write the body of the notice. So what are things you have to mention the body of the notice? So going to publish the magazine in the next month. So what is the next month is coming here? April. So the April month it is going to mention. So all the details like date, time, place, duration, venue, everything must be given in the body of the notice. So shall we write? So we will start a question like answer is like this. This is to inform. This is to inform all the students that our school is going to publish so and so. Okay, publish magazine next month. Okay, clear? It is given here the next month, so mention here next month. Clear? So next what you have to do, the content is ready. Next you have to write, so all who wish to, so we have to call students for the giving their magazines content and everything. So what you can write, all who wish to give the magazine or give the contribution, all who wish to give their contribution, so and so contribution. So where you can give, we can give a can give to the mail. What mail you can give? So you should give, maybe you can write same here, convent school @gmail.com. Clear? So that much is clear. So now next what you have to do, so next month anyway we have to get it before the next month. So final date you have to give. You can write it that it will be accepted When a date you have to give, date you should mention. So here we have written the March. So here itself you can write March 13th 2019 till 11:59 p.m. Clear? So next you can write anyway magazine. Anyway magazine is based on a particular topic. So we are not mentioned here any particular topic. So what we can do, you have to mention here which topic. So you can take any particular topic. Clear? Any particular topic. So next we have to give further information. Further information where we will get? Further information where we will get? Contact your class teacher or the head boy or head girl. Clear? Because here it is given that you are Ashish, head boy or head girl. So further notification also we can give here head boy or head girl. Clear? Next what you have to do? So one who is issuing agency name and everything must be there. So what is that? The name and everything. Already I have told you, once you write the content is over, next thing you have to mention the name and everything. What is the name? Already it is given here Asma or Ashish. So what you have to mention here? Asma or Ashish. So what is their position? Head girl or head boy? Head girl or head boy. Clear? And next sign. All about, this is all about notice writing in a proper way. Clear, dear students? See, the question is given that you are. In the question, if it is given like that, you are Asma or Ashish, so you should write the name here same. In the question, if the name is not given there, so you can write any name. See here, date. If in the question the date is not mentioned, you are allowed to write any date. Clear? Hope you guys are clear with the example which I have given. If there is any doubt or clarification, put your valuable comment in the comment box, and we will meet in another video with another topic. Thank you.